Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. Are you ready to learn a new German word?
Hi Alex. Yes, I'm ready. What's the word for today?
Today we are learning the word
Nein.
which means no in English.
Just no? That seems pretty simple.
It is simple, but it's very important.
Nein.
Is used to express a negative response or disagreement. It's the most common way to say no in.
Deutsch.
Just be careful, as some English speakers might confuse it with other similar words, but
Nein.
is straightforward.
Oh, I see. So, when would I use it?
Great question. You can use
Nein.
in many situations. For example, if someone asks if you want coffee, you can say
Nein. Danke.
which means no, thank you.
That makes sense.
Now, let's talk about grammar.
Nein.
Is an adverb, so it doesn't have a gender or plural form. It stands alone and is quite versatile.
So it doesn't change like a noun or a verb.
Exactly. But to give you a complete picture, let's look at some verbs we often use with.
Nein.
For instance, if you want to say I do not want, you would say.
Ich will nicht.
The structure is similar across different contexts.
So I can use it with different verbs.
Right. And in the past tense, for example, you could say,
Ich wollte nicht.
which means I did not want. You could also use it with
Haben.
in the perfect tense.
Ich habe es nicht gemacht.
Which means I did not do it.
Got it.
Now, let's dive a bit into the word's history.
Nein.
Comes from the old High German word,
Nein.
which means not. It has remained quite stable over the centuries. Isn't that interesting?
That's really fascinating. So it hasn't changed much at all.
Exactly. Now let's break it down. The word
Nein.
isn't a compound word, so we can't split it into parts like some other words. However, you can think of it as a fundamental building block of negation in.
Deutsch.
It's essential, like the foundation of a house.
That's a cool way to look at it.
Speaking of building blocks, let's discuss some similar words. For example,
Nein.
can appear in phrases like,
Nein, danke.
which means no, thank you, or
Nein, ich möchte nicht.
meaning no, I do not want. Other related phrases include
Nicht.
meaning not, and
Niemals.
meaning never.
Wow, I see the connections.
Another interesting one is
nein,
when used in conjunction with.
aber,
To say no, but. Like in.
nein, aber ich würde gerne.
Meaning no, but I would like to.
That really opens up the ways I can use it.
Definitely. Now let's practice some real-life situations where you might use.
Nein,
Imagine you are at a restaurant, and the waiter asks if you want dessert. You could say,
nein, ich habe genug gegessen.
which means no, I have eaten enough.
Nein, ich habe genug gegessen.
Perfect. Now, let's try another situation. You're at a party, and someone offers you a drink. You could say,
Nein, ich trinke kein Alkohol.
meaning no, I do not drink alcohol.
Nein, ich trinke kein Alkohol.
Excellent. Now, let's imagine you're at work, and a colleague asks if you can help with their project. You can say,
Nein, ich habe keine Zeit.
which means no, I don't have time.
Nein, ich habe keine Zeit.
You're doing great, Sam. Now, let's talk about gender memory hints for nouns related to.
Nein,
While
nein,
itself is not a noun, you might remember that negating words often take on a straightforward approach. Think of it as a clear signal, like a red stop sign in traffic.
That's a good visual.
For usage notes, remember that
nein,
is informal. It's commonly used in everyday conversations. A few typical collocations are
nein, danke. Nein, ich kann nicht.
and.
Nein, das möchte ich nicht.
Those are useful phrases.
Just be cautious with similar words. For instance,
Nicht.
means not, which is often confused with.
Nein,
They both negate, but in different contexts.
I see the difference now.
Alright, let's do a quick recall check. What does
nein,
mean?
It means no.
Correct. How would you say no, thank you in German?
Nein, danke.
Great. What's the past form of I do not want?
Ich wollte nicht.
Exactly. Can you give me a compound phrase using?
nein,
Nein, aber ich möchte.
Perfect. And last question, what would you say if someone asked if you want to go out tonight?
I would say,
Nein, ich habe keine Zeit.
Fantastic. You've really grasped it, Sam.
thanks, Alex. This was really helpful.
To summarize, today we learned about
nein,
its uses for negation and how to incorporate it into various situations. Keep practicing, and you'll be using it with confidence in no time.
I can't wait to use it. Thanks for the lesson, Alex.